Alright, what's going on, YouTube? So I just got this in the mail. Win rotary toolkit with flex shaft. Features, what does that say? Powerful 120 volt, 60 hertz, 1 amp motor, 2.3 millimeter and 3.2 millimeter cuts, 8,000 to 30,000 variable speed for detailed work, flexible light shaft attachment for precision work, double insulated 80-piece accessory set for cutting, burr removal, polishing, sharpening, and drilling, and case for organization and security. winproducts.com. 2305. 1 year limited warranty. So it came in this case. Look like we got a technical support number. That's pretty cool. Warning: using power tools can be dangerous. Always be careful and keep away from children. Use protective eyewear at all times and select the right tool for the job. You hear that? Don't seem like too bad of a item. I think I paid $17 for this, and all the reviews I saw on it were really good. So we're gonna get right into it here. Pull it out. I hate doing everything with one hand. I need to get something that can like hold my phone. I like the case. They had another one without a case for a little bit cheaper, but I wanted a case. Look at that little carry handle. I like that. Let's see what we got in here. This is the first. I haven't even opened it up, you guys. Alright, so that's embedded into the lid. Looks pretty heavy duty. Well, not too heavy. It just looks that way. Don't look bad at all for $17. We got our manual here. 2305. And here's the business. I think I would have liked more of a like a shuck kind of deal, and you know, something like that would be on a drill, maybe bigger. And all the pieces. It really doesn't seem like you get a whole lot. The disc seems really cheap. I wonder how big the cutting discs are. Anyways, so yeah, I like that it came with the case, and it doesn't look that bad actually. It feels sort of heavy, but not really. Some guys are saying that it was too big, that it's, you know, awkward to use it, but this ain't that big, and my hands aren't very big either. So there's the adjuster for it, for the speed. Maybe we should plug it in, huh? Let's plug it in. Oh, we got power right down here. Alright. I'm gonna set you down. Alright, we got some power. On off right here. I like. That's max. These have pushed a lot of air out of that motor. I wonder if it's gonna get hot when I'm using it. Don't seem bad at all, not for the money. Well, there we go. Rotary toolkit. I like it. wasn't a bad deal. Flex shaft is sort of short though, but you know, you could probably set it right on your lap as you're doing whatever you're doing. And how the end looks for this one. Looks bigger than the one on the drill. Anyways, let's say, do not operate the flex shaft with a sharp bend. Do not cross the flex shaft. The recommended minimum radius is 5 inches. Bending the shaft further than this can generate excessive heat. No shit. Alrighty, y'all. Well, that's my review on the Win Rotary Toolkit. So, I bought this one off eBay. I advise you to probably go pick one up. It's not a bad deal. I bought it because I need to use something on my RCs if I'm going to be taking off parts or customizing. And that's what actually I'm doing here on this Rustler. So I need to get all that up out of there. So that's why I bought it. So I can bevel that down. And these sides, because I want these batteries to fit in here nice and flush. And it almost does. So, yeah. Anyways, comment, like, subscribe. If you got an eBay account, I suggest you go and buy one of these bad boys. It seems like a pretty good deal. Might want to buy a disc kit for it or something with a little bit better pieces, but those will work for now. It's going to do what I wanted it to do. Anyways, comment, subscribe, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Alrighty, you guys, I'm out.